Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Orange Workflow. So this is the second part of the video evaluating models. Let's continue with it. I hope आपने first part देखा होगा. So the next topic is classification accuracy. Accuracy, basically it is defined as the percentage of correct predictions out of all the observations. But before that, we should understand, let me give you a brief review about confusion matrix. So there are two things in it. One is prediction and another one is reality. And it has two parts, true, false. True means 1 and false means 0. Now, in true positive and true negative, in both the cases, prediction and reality are the same. As you can see, as per the matrix, prediction is true and reality is also true. In this, prediction is false and reality is also false, but both are same, right? So when prediction and reality are same, it means those are the cases of true positive and true negative. So accuracy means percentage of correct predictions. In both the cases, predictions are right. So correct predictions divided by total number of cases, that is addition of all 4 cases, is accuracy. Now, if you want to calculate accuracy in percentage, do multiply it by 100 and put a percent symbol. Otherwise, no need for this. Just simply write this formula, apply the values, and you will get the answer. Now let's come to the second thing, that is precision. Precision is defined as the ratio of true positive cases to all predicted positive cases. Now true positive, again prediction and reality are same. To the ratio of true positive to all predicted positive cases. Now predicted positive cases is one is true positive only and another one is false positive. Those cases where prediction is true are only 2 blocks. One is true positive block and another one is false positive block, right? So we'll get the precision. Now next comes recall. Recall is defined as the ratio of correctly predicted positive cases to the total actual positive cases. Now everything is same, only the difference is in the denominator. Instead of false positive, here it will come false negative. Now why false negative? Because it is written total actual positive cases. So total actual positive cases is true positive and false negative, right? In both the cases, the reality is true. So that is the recall. Next parameter, and the last parameter is the F1 score. F1 score also known as F score or F measure. So it is the measure of balance between precision and recall. It ranges between 0 and 1. This is the condition. Whatever values you have calculated of precision and recall, just multiply them and multiply it by 2, then divide it with the sum of precision and recall. Now let's understand with the help of one numerical. A spam email detection system is used to classify emails as either spam, that is 1, or not spam, that is 0 out of 1000 emails. Means हमारे पास 1000 emails थी, एक AI spam email detection system बनाया गया जो क्या काम करता था, emails को classify करता था, क्या वो spam है या not spam है. अगर वो spam है, it means true. अगर वो not spam है, it means false. अब कुछ situations हैं. Now you have to identify all these situations as the parameters of confusion matrix. Let me read. Now, 150 emails were correctly specified as spam. It means this is the case of true positive. Fine. 50 emails were incorrectly classified. Incorrectly means where prediction and reality does not match with each other. It means it is the case of false positive. Then 750 emails were correctly classified as not spam. So this is the case of true negative. And the last one, 50 emails were incorrectly classified as not spam. This is the case of false negative. Now, when you are able to classify all 4 categories as true positive, false positive, true negative and false negative, then it will be easy to do the all calculations. So, for simplicity, I have put this into the confusion matrix. You can see the first scenario, spam, 150 emails, it will be considered as true positive. 50 emails incorrectly classified as spams, it means it is the case of true negative, means prediction is false and reality is true. 750 mails correctly classified as not spam, then 50 mails were incorrectly classified as spam. So you can see all values are here. Now applying the formula of accuracy, which is as stated earlier, true positive plus true negative divided by total number of cases. So as we have seen in the question, total number of cases is 1000. So we have directly put the value. TP is true positive, which is 150, and TN is 750, as you can see from here. And after calculation, you will get the answer 0.9. Now, if you multiply it by 100 to get the value in percentage, answer will be 90%. Now next, precision. Simply apply the values. 150 is true positive and 150 is false positive. If you calculate, you will get the value 0.75. Recall. Again, same thing, because false negative and false positive, both values are same, you can see here. So the answer will also be same. And applying these values to calculate the F1 score, you will get the answer 0.75. Now this is the trick of maths also. If you multiply two same numbers and divide it by the sum of those same numbers and multiply it by 2, you'll get the number itself, right? So that's it for today's session. And next video will be on computer vision. Do like my video, do subscribe my channel and keep watching.